Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here at the center to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And here we are with the front camera high again. Now let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and let's focus on the general settings. At the second space we have the save as flipped option. So this is the mirror effect here. By using this button we can turn this off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.